Good day. Today we're going to continue our discussion. We're going to look at LO2 Video 1, IT Evolution in Supply Chains. An interesting topic. After looking at this video, you will have a very clear understanding, as we usually do, on the importance of IT in supply chain integration, as well as understanding the growth of enterprise systems in supply chain management. So let's get with it. The importance of IT in supply chain integration. At some point in time, we would have spoke about the Bullwhip Effect. The Bullwhip Effect is that wave or that effect that causes disruption in your supply chain. For example, when there's an unforeseen increase or decrease in the market for a particular product, then your supply chain becomes uneasy. You have to make adjustments here and there. You may have to ramp up your stock. You may have to decrease your stock. That's a big challenge. But with the help of information technology, we are able to respond quickly. So when there's a change in demand downstream, upstream from the manufacturing side can make the adjustments pretty quickly. The distribution hub can also adjust and adjust what they plan on delivering. So there might be increases or decreases. But we go further. We are now in the era of artificial intelligence. So we are using big data or big data feeds to understand consumer behavior. What we call predictive analytics and machine learning, understanding the way you buy, what you usually buy from time to time. So IT's involvement in supply chain integration has brought good news for supply chains. It has brought about that strong collaboration as well with our partners, our suppliers. Everyone is sharing that same vision, that same goal. We are operating in real time. So we are able to be lean and agile. So it heightens the entire business process. The business process is improved as we go along. And now we look at understanding the evolution or the growth of enterprise systems in supply chain management. First, I'll start with MRP. That's where we would have started. We go to the 1960s, Material Requirement Planning. MRP is a scheduling or production scheduling platform or software. MRP's focus was on material planning. If you could recall, MRP had, or still exists today, three main elements or buckets: master production schedule, bill of materials, and an inventory status file. But MRP was not sufficient. We extended, therefore, the integration to MRP2, Manufacturer Resource Planning. What did MRP2 do? MRP2 extended the integration to your HR and to your finance department. That's why we see MRP2 as a resource platform. Its main focus is labor and capital or finance. But we moved on again as part of the growth. MRP2 was not good enough. We wanted 360-degree integration. We then extended the platform to our suppliers. So we moved to ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. You might have heard of SAP, Oracle. These are some of the popular ones. So Enterprise Resource Planning, operating on an MRP and MRP2 platform, or I should say, those two platforms remain the bedrock of ERP, was able to give us full integration. We integrate with customs, we integrate with so many different players in the market. So whenever any transaction happens, whenever we receive materials or receipt materials into the system, the supplier knows, procurement knows, the user knows. So that's where we are today. MRP, MRP2, ERP. Thank you very much.